So we have a new comment from my video about how to create subject names using Canva free account. And she asked, "Hello ma'am, saan makikita yung Canva AI?" So hi Rona, thank you for your comment. So in this video, I will show you where to find the Canva AI and how to create subject names in two ways, in Canva AI and ChatGPT. Plus, I will give you images, and if you want the prompt, let me know the number of the image. So be sure to watch till the very end of this video to know it. So first, where to find the Canva AI? If you're using a desktop or laptop, it's located on the left side. If you're using a mobile app, click on these three dots and you can see here the Canva AI. So now, I will show you how to create subject names first using ChatGPT, then we'll go to Canva AI. So first, go to your ChatGPT. Even if it's free account, you can still generate images. Click on the create image, then add your prompt. So if you want this prompt, comment down ChatGPT prompt and I'll comment it down below. Then click here to generate. Wait for a bit, and there you go. Click this download button. You can choose here if you want to download this image only or all three. So let's download all three. So go back to Canva, click on the create button, then choose A4 size. Then upload the images. And there you go. That's for ChatGPT. Now, I'll show you how to generate using Canva AI. Actually, I received messages that when they put their prompt, it's not generating correctly. So what you need to do is refresh your Canva account, then go to new chat and add again the prompt. Now, I'll show you for the Canva AI, click the Canva AI button, then click the image button and add your prompt. If you want this prompt, comment down Canva AI prompt and I'll comment it down below for you. For the AI quality, you can choose premium default, especially if you are using a free Canva account. Then for the size, let's click this one. Click on the submit arrow and wait for a bit. And there you go. So if you want the first option, click on this download button. And there you go, super easy. So by the way, I'll show you the prompt numbers and let me know which one you prefer. And I'll comment down the prompt I use. So be sure to follow my page as well. See you in my next video. Bye!